Sherry from Watch Learn Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make frozen cheese pizza rolls in the air fryer. So I like to use a Ninja air fryer, and you can use any air fryer that you like to use. And all you need to do this are your cheese pizza rolls. Keep them frozen, don't let them thaw, and some olive oil spray. What you want to do though with the olive oil spray is you want to make sure that it's a non-propellant one. And the only ingredient in it should be olive oil. If you use the kind with additives, it can actually damage your air fryer. So we don't want to do that. All right, let's get started.
First, you're going to take the olive oil spray and spray your air fryer basket. Then, take the frozen pizza rolls and place them in the air fryer in a single layer so that they're not overlapping. I was able to fit 12 pizza rolls in my air fryer. Once they're all in the basket, you're going to put the basket in the air fryer, turn on the air fryer, set it to 375, and time it for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the basket and give it a shake, and then you're going to put it back in and keep cooking. And then when the 5 minutes is up, check the pizza rolls. If they look done, awesome. If not, keep cooking for up to 2 more minutes. Now you're ready to enjoy them.
Now that the pizza rolls are done and cooled a little bit, you don't want to dig right into them because the filling is going to be very hot. When they're ready to enjoy, they are super crispy on the outside with a beautiful cheese filling on the inside. See, it squirts out. No, it's so good, so cheesy, delicious. You don't have to have tomato sauce on the side, but you can. Best way to cook these. The best part too is that it only takes about 5 minutes. Perfect for snacking, perfect for appetizers for a party, perfect for the kids for lunch. So many ways to enjoy these. Hope you enjoy.